Right now, millions of people wake up every morning, go to work, feel tired, come back home exhausted, and repeat the same cycle again, month after month, year after year. And deep inside, many of them secretly wish, I want more freedom. I want more income. I want to build something of my own. That desire is one of the reasons business exists. But here's the problem. Many people hear the word business and immediately think, that's only for rich people. Business is too risky. I don't have enough money. I'm not smart enough. And because of those fears, they never even try. So today, let's talk honestly. What exactly is business? What is business really for? And why are more people starting businesses than ever before? What is business? Business is simple. At its core, business means solving problems and providing value. That's it. When you sell a product people need, that's business. When you provide a useful service, that's business. When you help people save time, look better, feel better, or improve their life, that's business. Business is everywhere. Restaurants, clothing brands, online stores, P. Delivery services, P. Technology companies, small local shops, massive global corporations. All businesses started from an idea. Business is not only for rich people. P. Now listen carefully. One of the biggest lies people believe is that business only belongs to wealthy people. That's not true. Many successful businesses started small, very small. Some started in tiny rooms. Some started from phones. Some started from garages. Some started with borrowed money. And many successful entrepreneurs were once completely unknown. The difference was, they started. Why? Who is business really for? Business is for people who want more control over their future. People who are tired of depending only on one paycheck. People who want growth, freedom, opportunity. Now that doesn't mean business is easy. It's not. Business requires patience, discipline, learning, consistency, problem solving. But business also creates possibilities that normal jobs sometimes cannot. Because income from a job usually has limits. But a successful business can grow. That's why so many people are trying to build businesses today. Why clothing business is growing fast. Now let's talk about one of the biggest business opportunities right now. Clothing business. Why? Because people always need clothes. Fashion never stops. Every day people buy t-shirts, hoodies, AMs, streetwear, gym wear, luxury fashion, daily basics, and social media made fashion even bigger. One viral product can suddenly create massive sales. That's why clothing business continues growing globally. Why Bangladesh is important in clothing business. Now here's something many people don't realize. Bangladesh is one of the world's largest clothing manufacturing countries. Many international brands manufacture clothing there because Bangladesh can produce quality garments at lower costs. And this creates huge opportunities, especially for people living in countries like the United States, because products sourced from Bangladesh can often be sold at much higher prices overseas. Low cost, higher profit potential. Imagine this, a clothing item bought at a lower wholesale price can later be sold for significantly more. That price difference creates profit opportunities. And many people today are building businesses through online stores, TikTok shop, Instagram pages, Shopify websites, local clothing brands. Some start very small, then slowly grow larger over time. Why most people never start? Now here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack opportunity. They fail because fear stops them before they begin. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of losing money, fear of looking foolish, so they wait and wait and wait. Meanwhile, someone else starts small, learns, improves, and eventually succeeds. ARDS action. Successful business owners are not always the smartest people, but many of them take action faster. They test ideas, learn from mistakes, adjust, improve, keep moving. That's how growth happens, not through endless overthinking. Final message: if you truly want more freedom, more opportunity, and the chance to build something bigger, Business may become one of the most important skills you ever learn. Start small if needed. Learn slowly if needed. Make mistakes if needed. But start learning, because the world is changing fast. And the people who understand business often create more opportunities for themselves. And if you want to start a clothing business using Bangladesh garments and want trusted sourcing support, contact the number given in the description for more details.